How to turn on developer mode on Chromebook OS. The very first thing you want to do is to open Google Chrome. Once you're in here, you simply have to move into settings. Inside settings, tons of different options will be visible to you. But you have to head over to apps. Inside apps, you'll see the option where it says manage Android preferences. All you want to do is click on it. Head over to About Device. At the bottom, you'll find Build Number. If you haven't already enabled Developer option, you have to tap on this build number for 7 times. Once you click on it for 7 times, the Developer option will be enabled. Once it's done, once again tap on Manage Android Preferences. And there you can see the Developer option has been enabled successfully. Well, if you're on a mobile device, you have to do the similar process and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can turn on developer option on Chromebook OS. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.